Hello dear students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are going to learn tenses, the most important grammatical concept of language. Once you understand it clearly, you can form your own sentences in various tense forms. We are going to study tenses in three separate videos. In this video, we are learning present tense with its forms. Let's try to understand what is tense. A tense is a form taken by a verb to indicate the time of action. A tense is a form taken by a verb to indicate the duration of action. Types of tenses. We all know three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense is used to describe things that have already happened. Present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now. And future tense is used to describe things that have yet to happen. Four form of tenses: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous are the four forms of the tenses. Now, today we are going to learn present tense with its forms. Let's study first one: uses of simple present tense. The structure of the sentence or the simple present tense is subject plus main verb plus object. Now, whenever we want to express habits and routines, we use simple present tense at that time. Charles goes to gym every morning. I drink coffee every morning. Julie gets up early in the morning. They watch football matches regularly. Students often visit Global English Creativity website. Now, when we use simple present tense to express general or universal truths, for example, let's study some sentences. The earth moves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A magnet attracts iron. Plants need soil and water to live. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We use simple present tense to express future actions as well. I go to Jerusalem next year with my wife. My friend arrives Paris on next Wednesday. The restaurants open at 8 tonight. The plane lands in 10 minutes. Our final exam starts from day after tomorrow. We use simple present tense in negative sentences. For example, they do not know my phone number. Javed doesn't like to study chemistry. Many teachers don't use laptop while teaching. Edwin does not use dictionary while studying. Again, whenever we have questions at that time, how we use present tense, let's study some sentences. Do you know the writer of the novel? Don't they live in Tokyo now? Does Miller speak Spanish well? Doesn't he play a semi final today? These are some sentences in the form of questions in which we have simple present tense. Now let's study uses of continuous present tense. The structure of continuous present tense is subject plus to be forms in present tense that are am, is, are plus main verb plus object. Now, when we use continuous present tense to express ongoing action, let's study some sentences. All are singing a patriotic song together. I'm helping the victims of COVID 19. Smith is writing a letter to his friend. You are learning English grammar now. It is raining heavily outside. We use continuous present tense to express future plan. I am going to teach the lesson tomorrow. The couple is visiting the holy places next year. The guests are arriving at 9 o'clock. They are launching a new car soon. The minister is announcing the decision tomorrow. Next, we use present continuous tense in negative sentences. Let's study them. Lawson is not studying in this school. Girls are not playing badminton. I am not showing my dance performance today. It is not happening as we wish. Visitors are avoiding to enter the caves. We use present continuous tense in questions. For example, am I explaining the topic properly? Aren't they studying the reading hall? Isn't Ralph arriving today? Where is your father working? How many students are attending online lecture? Let's study next for perfect present tense. And the structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus main verb in past participle plus object. Now, when we use present perfect tense to express recently finished actions, let's study some sentences. They have played football on school ground. She has traveled some European countries. Ralph has learned how to read. All students have participated in the competition. We have taken a lunch in restaurant. Now we use present perfect tense to express the action started in the past and continue in the present. For example, Robert has lived in Canada for 10 years. She has worked in the office since 2001. I have lived in the UK since 1989. We have played the guitar for 20 years. Next, we use present perfect tense to express repeated action between past and present. For example, people have seen the movie Jurassic Park many times. We have gone to the beach many times. Then, use of present perfect tense in negative sentences. The officer has not granted the permission to visit the US. They haven't finished the homework yet. George has not removed the data from his PC. I haven't taken a risk to drive in storm. And we use present perfect tense in questions. Has she worked as salesperson before? Where have I left my mobile? Have you visited Global English Creativity website? Hasn't you started to write a blog yet? All these are questions especially whenever we want to speak or refer to perfect present tense. Next form of tense, perfect continuous tense. And the structure of perfect present continuous tense is subject plus has or have, been plus main verb plus ing. Now, when we use perfect continuous present tense to express the action started in past, but it continue in present and may continue in future also. Let's let's study some sentences. Emily has been studying in the college. We have been playing on the ground. All students have been waiting for the teacher. I have been singing many classical songs. We use present perfect continuous tense to express duration from past to present. For example, he has been living in Washington for 22 years. My father has been working in US Army for 10 years. Farmers have been working in the farm since morning, and I have been visiting Dubai since 2010. Next, when we use present perfect continuous tense or how we use it in negative sentences, let's study these sentences. You have not been doing your work sincerely. Sophia has not been participating in drawing competition. I have not been teaching English for 5 years. The dog has not been barking at the owner. Now, whenever we want to speak in the form of questions, especially while using present perfect continuous tense, at that time the sentences are like, have you been trying to solve the problem? Hasn't he been watching a movie? What have you been writing since yesterday? And where has he been working in the city? So, in this way, today we learn present tense with its three forms, that are simple present tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In the next video, we are going to learn detailed information about past tense. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Thank you.